Hey there everyone, this is just a video of us cleaning 2 tents. It's not very interesting, but I figure I'll show you how we can clean tents pretty fast. This machine that we're using right here, this is a Bissell. The link is in the description. It's kind of expensive, but I got mine at a garage sale for 10 bucks. Now there is the argument to use those rotating big brush things. I don't really like those that much because they're just like big, and I just feel like sometimes they can scratch the tent, and it's hard to get those into the crevices because obviously the tent does not lay flat. This Bissell thing has like pretty sturdy brushes. They spin in opposite directions. It's easy, anyone can use it. Those other things, like, you got to get used to using it, pushing up to go one way, pushing down to go another. Someone jumps on one of those things and they're just like all over the place the first time. So this Bissell thing kind of just works. Anyone who can do a vacuum can do this. So we just spray it down with some tent cleaner, and if you don't have tent cleaner, Purple Power is just fine. This actual first tent we did with Purple Power, because my tent cleaner was, being shipped to us and it came later in the afternoon, so we just cleaned the first one with Purple Power. And after we agitate all of the dust and stuff on top, we used to go over with just paper towels and throw them away, but obviously that's wasteful. So we're just using, absorbent shop rags that can be thrown in the washer, and you can get quite a big use out of them. Now, this original video was just about 27 minutes long. So in 27 minutes, we cleaned a 20 by 20 and a 20 by 30. Obviously this is sped up a lot, so it's not a 27-minute long video, but this process is pretty fast. We don't do the bottom with this process. I don't even bother cleaning the bottom by hand. I just spray Blitz on the bottom. You can get Blitz from Ship Chemicals. Just do a Google search, Ship Chemicals. Blitz gets rid of all mildew. It's the tops that get really dirty because they're exposed. They get dust and pollen on them, and they just start to look dingy. So you can this is an easy way just to clean them, real quick with this Bissell thing, some Purple Power or tent cleaner, and some shop rags. And like I said, anyone can use this Bissell thing. That's why I like it. I can walk away and come back and the whole tent is ready to be wiped down. And then wiping it down does not take that long. So now, here's the video sped up with some music. Enjoy.